Welcome back to PFTV. Sphethu Butncedo, how are you, sir?
Si right. Igame ibimnandi futhi.
Ulibone kanjani lona igame lelimele imnandi?
Sundowns dominated the first half. Second half, Pirates had clear chances, more than the Sundowns. So it was results the right because the Sundowns had more ball position the first half. It dominated the game first half, but second half, the game was more congested. Every time Kupas there was a free kick all the time.
Also, when as a Sundowns fan, how do you feel about the results here 1-1?
It's a fair result, but besifuna win at the game because Pirates isemva ngama game. So now asikwazi ukuthi siwishela ukuthi lose amanye ama game. Sithembela kwamanye ama team bemela sishaya ngokwethu so that ihlala isemva kwethu.
So do you think about these results? Say Sundowns ipressure phaya le results etholakele namhlanje?
Yeah, inikeza ipressure phaya. Pirates yiyo ezoba momentum because isesecuphini and ine chance enkulu yokuwina ecuphini ithathe and then ithathe that form isekwe league. Yiyo ene chance kakhulu iPirates to catch her up unless flop, but ine chance iPirates.
Okay, cela sikhulume ngegoli la kaDansini. What a goal.
Yeah, no, it was a nice goal. Inkhumbuze igoli kaMbokazi ecuphini. Yeah, it was a nice goal.
Ngiyamuzwa Mapakaniya. So when man of the match yakho ku game yanamhlanje mekubani?
Nguronza because those two saves azenzileyo zizwe eziyenza results ezibenje. Pirates ngewinile. There was 2-1 one-on-one chances uzisavile. Nguronza man of the match yabo. Rowan Williams.
You've heard it Mapakaniya, ngiphethe isantawane lana. Bopha.